video. Today is going to be a shop with me at Hobby Lobby. We actually went last night and I looked at all of the spring and Easter decor and I picked up some really great stuff. If you would like to see what all I got and to see what's all in the store right now, then please continue to watch.
Yesterday, there was sun and there was rain, beauty in the mundane. And as the light startled our eyes, we let go of disguise. And now, there's something in the air and a sparkly shimmer on our skin, restoring everything within. Oh, dreamy, breezy, we go. Easy, easy on our tiptoes, undercover agents of the other. Beyond gravel, beyond all. Hand in hand, building castles out of sand, reaching for the grand. As willows align, we lose track of time. Head up high, now we climb.
Alright, so let's get into it. Now, I saw these two signs that I picked up. I saw them online and I really wanted them. And so I was planning on just getting them in the store. Well, last night when we were there, I looked and I could not find them. And right before we left, I went around the back side of the two Easter aisles and there was an end that had these signs. So I was so excited. I got the He is Risen and the Happy Easter. I just love that they have the pastel floral colors because I am tying in those colors to my decor this year. I really wanted to get a sign with this that says He is Risen because that's obviously what Easter is all about. It's not all about the bunnies and all of that. So I definitely wanted to get a sign that said this, and this one is just so beautiful. Okay, so next I picked up this garland with this cross. And this was $8.99 and 40% off of that. I love how this is rustic and it ties in with the Lord because it has the cross. I like the white and the natural beading. It's just very beautiful and this is going to match my theme perfectly. Okay, so these next garlands are kind of out of the box for me, especially with like my decor in my kitchen area, but I got these bright pastel little garlands here. So I got two of them. I'm not 100% sure if I'm going to use these or not, but the great thing about these is that it matches my daughter's room. So I'm going to decorate these in her room later after Easter, and then also for her birthday party, we're doing a pastel theme, so I might decorate her party, put this around the food or just something like that. But these are just beautiful, and the price was really, really great. Next, I picked up these little towels. I always decorate with themed towels for the holiday. I like to drape them over my coffee bar area, and it just adds a lot, I think. And I also like to drape them over my oven, so I may be picking up more different style. I was kind of wanting one with a cross, but the only pastel ones that I liked were these ones. I thought these were very sweet. So yeah, I got these. Okay, and next, sticking with the pastel theme, I got these 2 mini cake stands that I like to put on my tier tray. I like to put cups on them or just anything to add height and just more interest to the tier tray. I got a pastel yellow and a pastel blue. These were only $2.99 each, and they were 40% off. Okay, so next I saw these online and had them in my cart, so I was for sure gonna plan on looking for these in the store. I did not expect them to be this big though. They're so cute. I think I like them this big. At first I was like, I was planning on putting them in my Rae Dunn cups or something, but I don't know. I might be doing something different with these, but I just think they're absolutely perfect with the burlap, and I love the twine ears. Of course, I love the cotton and the greenery. So that brings me to my next thing that I got. I got 2 cotton stems, and these were actually 50% off, so I was grateful for that. They were originally $6.99 and then 50% off, so I got 2 of those. So I'm going to be tying in cotton. They were only $4.99 and then the percent off of that, so very cheap and just super adorable. Okay, so the last thing may seem kind of random, but it's super cute. I got this one little napkin holder. And the reason is because I have this really cute little Rae Dunn cup that says hop to it, and it sits down in there perfectly. So all you see is the burlap ears. Like, how cute is that? And this was only $2.99. So super cheap and just a cute little touch to add to my display. All right, so that's everything I got from Hobby Lobby last night. I hope you enjoyed watching what all I got and then coming along with me to see what's in the store. If you enjoyed today's video, I would love it if you'd hit the like button. And if you aren't already subscribed, please subscribe to my channel so you never miss an upload from me. Thank you so much for watching and have a blessed day.